Hey everybody, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and I'm here to share my Shop It kit with you for the first Shop It or Stash It series that we are doing. The mood board should be up, you should be able to see it there. And I did remember how hard it was for me with such a limited amount of paper, so I got more paper this time. And remember, we get to bring in our stash kit into this shop kit to keep using that stuff up and playing along. So I got most of it is whimsical. I felt like it really matched the mood board. So I got the die cuts and the floral package there with all the fun florals. I got this fun adventure sticker sheet to play with. There's the sticker sheet from Whimsical. Super fun and playful there. And then I got Heidi Swap these really fun. It's only one-sided. No, there is more, but I only have one side. Maybe it's on the inside and I can't feel it. I don't know. We'll have to see. Otherwise, it got ripped off. I'm really interested in this. Oh, it's in there. I can see it. Okay, so there's that, and then I got Gold Alpha. So, yep, a lot of gold. Playing with my gold there. And that is going to be my adding into my embellishing and stuff to play with, to go in with the stuff I have left over from my stash kit. And then paper-wise, which is always the fun part, is I got a little bit of Chamel Head in the Clouds. I really felt like, again, it matched the mood board and the kind of the more blue tones there. So there's that. I love this mermaid scale look there. And then this beautiful floral. Had to get that. And then there's pink for like a nice background if I wanted to use that. And then the clouds, because I love a good cloud pattern paper. It's always one of my favorites. And there's cameras on the back of that one. And of course I had to get the mermaid one. I love me some mermaids, but I love this side. So I will probably be using this side, honestly. I like the gradient of it, and it'll probably be in Nora page somewhere. I got Dear Lizzie, just because I loved this heart. And again, I just felt like it really matched the mood board really well. So I can see some fussy cutting going on there. And then there's the black. Some Heidi Swap. This, I believe, is the one piece that Daisy picked, and I'll explain that in a minute. So this one is Color Fresh. So it's got some fun little kind of like fireworks there, and then that gradient paper. So I'm going to put that one aside for a second. Here's some more Head in the Clouds, the cut apart with this navy. I love this. This actually makes me think of Daisy, to be honest. I love, love, love it. Some Whimsical. So there's this really fun one with all the little half circles there. And that's the back of it. This is the piece I picked, so I'll explain that one in a second as well. Here's some more Dear Lizzie with the fun butterflies. I think they're butterflies. And then the back of it is that nice pink. And here's the cut apart from the Whimsical collection, with a nice pink as well. And finally, this one with all the words and stuff, and then the back of it is the beautiful purple, which is what I bought it for, was this beautiful purple. So now let me explain these two pieces. When it comes to our Shop It kits, Daisy and I each get to pick one piece of pattern paper that we both have to have in our collection. So this is the one Daisy picked. I'm sure you can see why. It's bright and bold and beautiful and very Daisy-like, and so this is the one that she was excited to play with and pick, and it's very her. I can see why she chose it, and it matches the mood board perfectly. I chose this one. It is from Indigo Hills 2, and I picked it. I went on the softer end. So Daisy is very bright and bold, and that is her style, and I love it. And I went a little bit more on the softer end. That does tend to be a little bit more of my style. So there's this beautiful floral on the back of it, which I'm probably going to end up fussy cutting of some sort. But there's also this side. So we'll see which side I use. But here's the fun part about this. I know you've heard a little bit about our giveaway. At the end of this one, once we've used this up and we do our Kilikit, we are announcing one. So there's one winner. And we are each, Daisy and I are each sending you, I'm sending you this sheet, Daisy's sending you that sheet, and then some of our leftover goodies from both our stash and our shop kit are getting piled together and sent to you. So hopefully by the time you get both of our little, our leftovers, you have enough to create one or two layouts yourself using our leftovers and the mood board. So it's kind of a different type of giveaway. We think you're gonna enjoy it. I thought it was pretty neat, but there you go. So we tried to keep it under, I think it was under $35. I think I might have cheated a little bit and spent a little bit more, but I knew I needed the paper. So it's almost like I got an add-on. And this Whimsical I already owned. I just haven't opened it yet. So I'm cheating a little bit, but I know I needed more paper to play with so I could create more layouts and keep up with Daisy, who made 9 layouts with her stash kit where I only made 5. So thanks. Let me know what you think and hop on over to Daisy to see what her kit is like. And we're excited to get started. Thanks everyone. Bye.